Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make image move on CapCut PC. First open up CapCut and after that import your image and then just left click on your image. You have to select the image first and then click on effects. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will get these effects. But if you don't find, then just you can search from here. So after that, just left click on it and then just drop it on your image. Just drag and drop, simple. And you will see these tools after adding the effects. So from here you can change the speed, sharpen, strength. Like I will suggest you to decrease this and this too. And from here you can adjust according to your needs. So I will suggest you to put this on 8 and speed, let's say keep this on 4, so it will move good. So if I just play these clips now, so as you can see my image is moving now. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, then please consider subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a great day.